Hello children, how are you? I hope everyone are staying at home and enjoying your online classes. I am Srimati B. Anita, School Assistant English, working at ZPHS Gadepalli, Kilavarangal Mandal, Varangal Urban. Children, I think did you get all your textbooks? This is your English textbook, Nana. Now, let us go read the first unit of this book. So, now before going to our first unit, let me show you few dolls here. There are few dolls here. Children, can you tell the difference between these two and this? Can you identify? Can you identify and tell from which place these people have come from? Can you tell from which place these people are from? Guess. And can you guess from which place these people are from? Yes, children, you are right. I think they have come from a village. Yes, and these people, they seem to be, they have come from a town. Yes, similarly, there are few more dolls here. I think they are from a village. Yes, because they look simple. They are wearing simple dress. They look simple, and they are from a town. You see. They wore modern dresses, yes, hat and the girl's skirt and everything. They are wearing modern dresses and even the hairstyle is very modern. I think they are from a town. So now let us go to the first unit. Just open your first unit lesson, children, and let us go through the Unit 1, A reading, the town mouse and the country mouse. Yes, let us go through the face sheet of the town mouse and country mouse. As you have said, children, yes, here we have seen a few people. These people are from village and they are from town. Village or a country or city or a town. Yes, now let us see, there is a face sheet. There is a picture here. Yes, can you see? This is a picture of a village and this is a picture of a town. When you open your textbooks, you can see these two pictures. Open your books and we have to tell the difference between these two pictures. Differentiate between these two pictures. So now you see. Now let me tell you, before going to the face sheet, let me tell you a story of two friends. So this boy's name is Omar and this boy's name is Adam. So Omar is from a town, from a country, and Adam is from a town. So now, yes, just see. Hello, I am Omar, I live in a town. Where is Omar from? Hello, I am Omar, I live in a town. Hi, my name is Adam, I live in a country. Now what is he saying in the next slide? It's very noisy and crowded in my town. What is Adam saying? It is very noisy and crowded in my town. It is not crowded here. It is very calm place. So a country is a very calm place and a town is a very noisy place, children. There are a lot of high buildings in my town. So in a town you can find high buildings. We live in a country house and we have a lot of trees. In a country, the houses are very small and what do you find? In a country, we find most of the houses are kacha houses, and in a city, we find big apartments, multi-story buildings, whereas in a country, we have houses, country houses with many trees. Yes, children? Now, in a town, we find lot of factories. So he's saying that there are a lot of factories in a town. There are a lot of factories in a town. There are not factories here. What is this boy saying? There are not factories here, but we have farms and we have a lot of animals like hens, pigs and horses, cows and everything. So here in a town we find lot of factories, whereas in a country there is lot of greenery. There are many fields, farms, etc. in a country. Yes, children. Now see what you can see in this slide. There are many multi-storied buildings. We can see an aeroplane. We can see cars. So, interesting. In our town, we have different kinds of transportation. In a town, we find different kinds of transportation like lorries, cars, motorcycles, yes, buses and trains. Yes, children? Now, see, we hope that you knew something about our places. What are they saying? That yes, we have told, they are saying that they have told you something about their places, about our places. Now, are you living in a town or a country? Children, now, where do you live, children? In a town or a country? And I hope you have, you knew few things about a town and the country, how that country people are, how town people are. Now, next, look at the next slide. The difference between a city and a country and a town and a village. Okay, difference between a town and country or city and a village. So they are the same. City and town, they all the things are identical here. Whereas country and village, we find the same features in a country and a village. Okay, now what is the difference between a village and a city? Yes, city has many modern facilities. City has many modern facilities, children. Country does not offer many modern facilities. What kind of modern facilities do you find in a city? In a city we find multi-storied buildings. There are many offices, educational institutions, colleges, schools, many hospitals, cinema theaters, hotels and gardens, parks, everything we find in a city, whereas in a country there are no modern facilities. In a city we find many modern facilities like we have underground drainage system, we find overhead tanks and running water facility we can find in a city, but whereas we do not find in running water facility in a towns. Yes. Now, another difference between a city and a country or a town and a country is city or a town is crowded and busy. City or a town is crowded and busy, whereas country or a village is calm and quiet. Yes, children, city life or a town life has many public transport. It has many, you see, this is the metro train we find in cities. Yes, children, this is a shopping mall. In cities, we find many big malls for shopping. City has big malls for shopping. Whereas these kind of shopping malls, do you find in a village, children, or a country? No, we do not find this kind of shopping malls in a town or in a country. Yes, in a city or a town, there is pollution everywhere. There is pollution everywhere. Why there is pollution everywhere? Because it is always crowded. There are many factories and there are less trees in a city. So it is always polluted because of the vehicles, because of the factories, and as there are only few trees, there is lot of pollution in the city. Whereas country has fresh and clean air. In a country there is lot of greenery. There are many fields and trees, big trees. So country has fresh and clean air. Yes, children, city has better education. We find many big institutions, universities, colleges, everything we find in a city. Whereas we do not find all these things in a country or a village. Yes, you can do different things every day in a city. In a city, we can do different things in the sense, yes, as there are many shopping malls and there are hotels, there are parks and cinema theaters. So we can go to any place and do many things in a city and do many, lot of, any, we can find any type of work we can do in a city. Whereas in a country, the same thing happens every day in a country. In the sense, daily, what do they do in a country? They get up in the morning, they go to the fields, they come back after work. Otherwise, they get up in the morning, they go along with the cattle, and they come back in the evening. This is the work they do daily in the country. So the same thing happens every day in a country. Whereas you can do different things every day in a city. We can do any type of work. We can get any type of work in a city. Yes. Oh, okay, children. Now I think you have understood. You have understood the difference between a village and a city, or a country and a town. So country and a town. Now, so this we can say it is a village and this is a city, or this is a country and this is a town. Now look at these two pictures and answer the questions that follow. Yes, children. So now let us look at these two pictures. Write the difference you notice between the things you see in the two pictures. So there is no pollution there is a greenery. There are many mountains, fields. Yes, fields, and there are kacha houses here, small houses. Here and country houses in this village, whereas in a city we can find multi-storied buildings. There are no trees, there are no big trees. We do not find any fields here in a town. Yes, in a village what we can find, we get fresh air, there is no pollution, because we do not find many vehicles in a village. Whereas here, because of these vehicles, we find many vehicles and it is very crowded. The pollution, there is lot of pollution because of the factories. You see, we find a factory here. So because of all these things, there is lot of pollution in the city. It is very calm and quiet and peaceful in a village. It is very calm, quiet and peaceful in a village. Whereas in a city is very busy and crowdy and noisy, children. Yes, it is always, we always hear the sounds of the vehicles. Yes, and everything in a city. Now in a town, in a village, the people of village people, they are very friendly, they help each other. Whereas in a city, people are so busy that they do not get time to speak with their neighbors also. So village people are very friendly, they are united. Though it is very small, village area is very small, all the people they live together happily and unitedly. Whereas in the city, people are so busy, they do not have time to speak with their neighbors also. Where do you feel, I think now you have understood the difference between a village and a city, children. Yes, we get fresh air, fresh food and everything fresh things here in a village. Whereas in the city, we do not get fresh vegetables and everything. So what do? We get fresh food and the food is very healthy here. Whereas almost in the cities, we eat junk foods and everything here. And the vegetables and the things which we get from the city, from the village, they store it in cold storage and then later on use in the cities. So this is a difference between a city. Where do you think life is peaceful? Why? Now where do you think life is peaceful, children? I think, yes, you are right. Life is very peaceful in a village, because though there are no modern facilities in a village people are very happy, because they are very healthy, and because there is no pollution, they breathe in fresh air, eat fresh food, so they are very, very hale and hearty. So life is peaceful in a village only. Do animals feel the same like you? Yes. Do animals feel? Yes. Why? Animals like greenery. They like greenery. They do not like this pollution and everything. They need grass and leaves to eat. So where do they get all these things? They find in a village. So animals, I feel that animals are happy in a village only. So now there is a oral discourse, children, here. Talk on the place you like to live, whether you like to live in a town or a village, and substantiate your opinion. You should tell your opinion whether you like a village or not. If you like a village, you say what are the reasons for it. If you don't like a village, you say, if you like a town, you tell what are the reasons for it. So tell your opinion. So what do you do is, what is your assignment is, you take note down these questions as they are in your textbook and write these answers and show them to your class teacher. Okay, children, I hope you have understood the difference between a village and a city. Now, so do this homework assignment and show it to your class teacher. Thank you, children. Thank you.